In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a realistic painting brush in Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop with the image you want to paint on so you can immediately see how your brush strokes interact with the scene. To keep things non-destructive, head to the Layers panel and create a new layer by clicking the plus icon at the bottom. This blank layer is where you'll paint, which means your original image stays untouched. It's also a good idea to duplicate your artwork or the first layer as a backup so you have an untouched copy you can refer to. With that safety net in place, select the new blank layer you just created. We're going to give this layer a subtle 3D effect so your paint looks raised and realistic. Open the layer style dialog for the new layer. When that pop-up appears, you'll be working entirely in layer style settings. Check bevel and emboss to turn it on. Set the style to inner bevel so the highlights and shadows hug the inside edges of your brushstrokes, mimicking the way real paint catches light. For technique, choose smooth, which keeps the edges creamy and natural. Depth controls how strong the effect appears, and it should scale with your canvas size. Larger canvases usually need more depth, while smaller ones need less. Adjust the depth until the effect looks convincing without being harsh. Set direction to up so highlights appear on top and shadows sit beneath, like real paint sitting on the surface. Size influences the width of the beveled edge, so start around 4 and nudge it until it matches the thickness of your intended brushwork. Soften can be set around 2 to relax the edges and avoid a chiseled look. For the lighting, set the highlight mode to screen with white and the shadow mode to multiply with black. This pairing simulates light reflecting off glossy paint and shadow pooling along the edges. Once everything looks right, click OK. From now on, anything you paint on this layer will automatically pick up that 3D effect. Choose a brush from the toolbar on the left. The brush you select really matters, so pick one that suits the texture and style of your image, whether that's a soft round for smooth blends or a textured brush for bristle-like strokes. Select any color you like and start painting directly on that styled layer. Your strokes should instantly look more dimensional and lifelike. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.